Read by Professor Irwin Weil of Northwestern University, Evanston, Illinois, United States of America. This перевел из английского Walter May. My Muse by Ivan Kuratov. My dear Muse, mark well, is not for sale. To the market I will send no verses, do not hope to open people's purses. Soft my Muse and I, our voices try. If the slightest falsehood we should utter, who at such falseness start to mutter? We ourselves shall laugh such lips to shame, and in the hottest flame, in the stove the notebook goes. Soon we'll try our hand out on the public, soon we'll introduce a larger subject, may our poem that hypocrite expose. He who goes in long white-skirted robes, that great parasite fatter than his brothers, who is flushed with blood sucked out of others, may it show good folk without a farthing, who through life go cold and starving. Happiness waiting after death's dark parting. My dear Muse, mark well, I'll never sell.